Can Daddy cook?
Mm-hmm.
Hey everybody, welcome to Daddy Cooks. My name's Phil and I'm the daddy from Daddy Cooks. All right guys, you saw the title. This is gonna be a real short video. This is a simple and easy chicken salad. All right, simple and easy chicken salad. All this is gonna be is a salad put together with some greens and some other things. And then we're gonna have some oven baked chicken tenders. I'll show you that. Seasoned up, I explain all that stuff to you. It's just gonna be right on top of the salad. It's gonna be the meat. All right, guys. Now, the supporting cast looks a little something like this. Get this out of the way. All right, over here we have 50-50 mix. These are some greens and some spinach. All right, 50% greens, 50% spinach. These are 3 scallions left over from my last video. Here's half of Italian pepper and half a bell pepper and half a tomato from my last video. Gotta get rid of those leftovers. I'm gonna use some mushrooms. I got these, I don't know what they call them, Constellation tomato. They look like little cherry tomatoes, but you got all types in there. You got yellow ones, you got cherries, you got grapes, you got all kind of tomatoes in here. You'll see them, just a bunch of different colors. You'll see it for the salad. Okay, I'm also gonna have some, the meat is gonna be some boneless, skinless chicken breast tenderloin. All right, now, I already did some prep work. They're already in the oven. They look like this. Don't those look wonderful? Once they're finished, once they're cooked according to the instructions, they get to an internal temperature of 170 degrees, and I'll just use an instant read to make sure that they're cooked all the way through. Don't want nobody getting sick. All right, I'm gonna pull them, let them cool, and chop them up, put on top of our salad. Now, the prep work that I did, I used some of this seasoning here, Trinidad lemon garlic seasoning. All right, it tastes really good. I got this in this package here from the Spice House that I got from Daryl and Lamore Smith from Bad Bees Barbecue. I won it in a drawing. These are the same ones that made this wonderful shirt. Y'all see I'm styling? You checking me out, Daryl? Thanks, man, I really appreciate it. But I want to get back to these spices here, and I use this on the chicken. I will show you the prep work on what I did with the chicken, and like I said, I'm just waiting for the chicken to get done. Once that's done, all we're gonna do is do a little bit of chopping and assembling, and this will be the quickest salad you've ever seen in your life. All right, guys, once again, simple and easy chicken salad. So let me get my prep work done, and I will be right back. that much just to get your salad put together. All right, guys, my meat is done. I did follow the instructions. I don't know if I said this earlier. I followed the instructions on the breast tenderloins, chicken tenderloins. 375 degrees for about 30-35 minutes till it got to an internal temperature of 170, and I checked it. Actually, I was above 170, but everything's done. All right, guys. Now, I'm not gonna do a taste test on this salad, but I am gonna taste this seasoning on this meat so I can let Daryl and Lamar Smith know how this is. That's good. On chicken, wow. Lemon garlic, woo. That was really, really, really good. My chicken's cooked all the way through, still juicy. It's not dry. Now I'm gonna put this together. Let me move my beer out the way. Just a second. We'll put this together and we'll be done. And it goes a little something like this. Bowl ready. Get me some of my salad and my greens. Hands are clean, by the way, everybody. I ain't gonna get too much. This is for my wife, Kim. But pop that right in there. Ooh, that is a lot. Let's take some of that out. All right, get a couple more tomatoes, mushrooms, and some onions, just for balance. Throw some of that in there. Boom, we're good. I'm gonna grab her 2 pieces of chicken, because 2 big pieces, because she's my wife and I love her. And I'm just gonna come up like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Booyah. Grab it all with my knife like so. Lay it right on top of that salad like that. Move it around a little bit so it looks pretty. Stop banging into my bowl. And there you have it. All right, once again, guys, a real quick and easy chicken salad for you. All right, guys. I'm gonna serve this to my wife. You can have them top it however they want. My wife might want Italian. She might want French dressing. You could go something as simple as a little bit of lemon, some type of balsamic vinegar, or some vinegar, some lemon juice, some lime juice to make it really, really light. All right, guys. That's about it. Short, sweet, and neat. My girls call me Daddy, and I cook. Can Daddy cook?